All right, seventh grade ELA. This is a writing week, and you are going to be writing on how to. All right, look at the directions. It says, have you ever thought about a specific steps involved in performing even simple tasks, such as tying a shoe, putting on a jacket, or brushing your teeth? In giving directions for these and other activities, you must be careful not to leave out any part of the process. Write out instructions for one of the activities below. Do not take anything for granted. Pretend that the reader has never done this and does not have the slightest idea about how to do it. You must provide perfect step by step, easy to understand directions. And it gives you a list box, I guess would be the way to say it. You can tell me how to tie your shoes, how to put on a jacket, grilling a hamburger, making a bed, operating a wash machine, brushing your teeth. Hopefully, you guys don't know how to drive a car, but you can write about it. Painting a picture, using a computer, or riding a bike. So you're going to pick any one of those and you're going to write me some directions. Now, my ultimate dream is that you write them in paragraph form, but I will let you write them in number or bullets. So, for example, you could come in here and you could do these as either bullets or numbers. So you could say first, second, third, and so on. Or you can do like little bullets, however you want to write them. And you're going to give me the directions for any one of those. Now, hopefully you can all tie your shoe. While you're writing these directions, think about what do you do? Sit down, tie your shoe. You know, write your directions out. Have someone try to follow your directions before you submit them to me. Remember, you can either write 1, 2, and 3 or do some bullet lists. You can do these as lists. If you want to write it as a paragraph, feel free to write it as a paragraph. If you need more space, if you just continue writing on the bottom, it will continue. I want you to have some fun with this, but make sure when I grade these that I will be able to do what you are telling me to do. Good luck. Wait a second. So make sure you follow all the directions. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun. I can't wait to read your directions.